Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a simple if-else program. An if-else program is very normally used when we want to test something. If something is true, we want to do something else. In this case, we are going to learn the basics of the if-else program or if-else statement, what is needed for it for us to create it. So basically, for if-else statement, just like the for loop, the if and else keywords should be in small letters. That's one thing to note about the if-else program. The second thing that you should note is that both if and else statement should end with a colon. Next, the next thing that you should note about the if-else statement program is that the statement under if and else should be indented. So let's create a simple program that asks the user to provide his or her age to determine what should be done if the age is greater or less than 18 years or maybe 16 years. So age equals int import. So enter your age here. So once the user provides us with the age, we want to determine if we want to do the following. If age is less than or equal to 18, then print, or maybe we can use if age is less than 18, print you are under age. Else print you are an adult. So let's learn the program to see what it generates for us. So enter the age here. So my age is 5. You are underage. So the program has generated this statement because my age is below 18 years. So let's learn the program once again to see what it generates for us. This time it asks us to provide the age, and we give our age as 18 years. So because my age is greater than 18, so I am an adult. The program tells me that I am an adult. We can still learn the program once again to see what it provides to us. And this time we want to indicate that I'm 100 years old. Then I'm still an adult because my age is still above the age limit of 18, which we have told the program to do. So this is a simple if-else statement. If you're getting value from the video, please remember to like it and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.